Francisco's Automotive. If you're watching this video, it's because you live in the city of Newport Beach and you need help with General Motors, GM, Chevy, Cadillac, Buick. They're all the same. GM has come a long ways. Look at this beautiful 1964 Chevy that's about to drive out of here. And there's 72. I stand corrected. I called it a 64. Beautiful 1972 Chevy. And this customer, long time customer of mine, Tom Anderson. Thank you, Tom.
Do I get residual?
You get residual for this. Every time it shows, you get 25 cents off the next repair.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, now, look at that beautiful truck. Chevy's come a long ways. I've been a mechanic since 1975. From 75 to 85, I worked on in a Volkswagen shop here in Huntington Beach. In the early 80s, I saw the need to work on General Motors. Now, let me show you my garden before I show you my shop. This is my garden. I love my garden. It gives me a lot of peace. The flowers, desert style, low water, environmental friendly. Now, you got Chevy. GM has come a long ways. The heart of America, Chevy. They got the work truck, the workhorses. One of their better vehicles is their SUV, their Suburban. Been around since the 60s. I work on a couple of 1965 Suburbans. This is a 2004. We got some 2007s and 8 in the back. But with that said, I specialize in electrical. And the reason I specialize in electrical, you can't do anything without electrical. You got self-driven cars, self-parking cars, navigation, automatic doors. I mean, you name it, they've got it. Now, I've been working on electrical, like I said, since the 80s, specialized in the 90s. And you can train your mechanics. If you don't give them the proper equipment, the training means nothing. So right now we're going to talk about the equipment. This is a MasterTech. MasterTech was one of the scanners that I used in the 90s, the latest. I bought this brand new in the 90s. And then they evolved into the Tech 2. The Tech 2 is the latest version of the MasterTech, and this was good for me for a long time. I still use it for some of the older vehicles. This particular vehicle takes a Tech 2. I won this in the 90s, is more for the MasterTech. And then later, I think in the year 2013, 2014, they went to cloud-based information. I don't know which cloud. I couldn't figure it out. Right now, we don't have any, but I can still get the information. I don't know how they do that. Figure out which cloud has the GM information. It's laptop based now. And I have the prescription to General Motors. I can do anything on General Motors. I can refresh a computer. I can refresh a key, reprogram computers. You name it, I can do it. Not only do I have the equipment, but I have the knowledge. All my guys are trained in electrical. When I hire a new guy, I make sure that he has either gone through the course of electrical. If not, I send him to a 3-year course at Golden West College, and I give him incentives to go. Or they have training 2-3 nights a month, 4-hour trainings. Sometimes they go to a 3-day class. I pay for the class. I pay him to go to class. I give him incentive. Because without electrical, you can't do nothing anymore. Like I said, self-parking cars and all that. So without the electrical, you can't do nothing. So we have the equipment, we have the knowledge, we have the support system, we have a lot of, the knowledge here is incredible. And I get a lot of referrals from a lot of shops to help them fix the automobile. So now, you got any questions? It don't matter what the question is. You're going to buy a car. You're going to sell a car. Give me a call. Take advantage of my knowledge. 714-375-2661. Take advantage of my knowledge. I'm writing a book on how to buy a car. There's a lot to buy in a car. I can get into that. I'm making some videos on how to buy a car. Until then, call me personally. Have somebody inspect the vehicle. Don't just buy the vehicle. Have somebody inspect the vehicle. What do you want the vehicle to do? is it for towing, is it for driving, is it for pleasure? Whatever it is, think about it, make up your mind, don't be too hesitant. Cadillac, beautiful, part of the General Motors family. Beautiful car. They've done a long ways. Show them my shop a little bit. I have a 10-bay automotive repair shop, and we're open 6:30 in the morning to 6 o'clock at night. We'll give you a ride home. We'll pick you up. If I keep your car overnight, I will rent your car. If I need to pick up your car, I'll pick it up and I'll drop it off. Part of my service. Call us with any of your questions. 714-375-2661. I can fix anything except broken hearts. I learned that from a friend of mine, Scott from Scotty. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching the video.